What's something people don't know about Bangalore? It's surrounded by amazing getaway spots. First up, Nandi Hills, just 60 kilometers away. Think stunning sunrise views, a trek up the hills, and an ancient Nandi temple. Next, Ramanagara at 50 kilometers, famous for its rocky terrains and iconic Sholay movie spots. Perfect for trekking and rock climbing. Don't miss Mysore, slightly beyond our 100-kilometer radius at 145 kilometers. Home to the Grand Mysore Palace, Chamundi Hill, and Brindavan Gardens. Channapatna, the toy town at 60 kilometers, offers traditional wooden toys and workshops. For nature lovers, Hoganakal Falls, the Niagara of India, at 130 kilometers is a must-see. And for history buffs, Srirangapatna at 125 kilometers boasts the Ranganatha Swami Temple and Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace. Savandurga, 50 kilometers away, is perfect for trekking with its massive monolith hill. Birdwatchers will love Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary at 130 kls. And for cave explorers, Antharganj at 70 kilometers is a rocky paradise. Finally, Kolar at 70 kilometers, known for its gold mines and temples. So pack your bags and explore these incredible spots around Bangalore.